Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey guys, what's up? We're making breakfast.
We're making breakfast right now. Me and Andrew have a little bro day today.
Yep.
Yeah, we're just hanging out. We don't have any plans yet. We're just gonna make breakfast. But I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my breakfast low calorie. What are we gonna make?
Oh, waffles.
Waffles?
We are making homemade waffles.
Not homemade.
They're not?
Like Kodiak cakes. Kodiak cakes. But yeah, we're gonna make some waffles. Let's do it.
Waffle time.
Waffle time. All right, what's up, guys? We're using Kodiak cakes. I am making waffles for 3 people. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would do that. I make mine a little different. So I make theirs first, and then I put some protein powder in mine to get one more whey in there. But so I'm gonna start off with getting 3 half cups, because each half cup is 190 calories. Andrew's gonna show you guys how to make some eggs later.
Woo!
Right?
Yep. Yep, I'm the egg guy.
Alright, that's about 3 right there. And then I'm gonna use water. If I wanted it to taste a little better, and I didn't care about calories, I would probably use milk. But I'm trying to keep calories low, so we're using water. Alright, we'll start with 1 cup. So there's 1.5 cups right now of batter, a cup of water. Let's see how that turns out. What you doing?
Cutting the shrubs.
Hey.
Woo!
Kind of thick.
Mix.
You like it thick?
I get thick.
Alright,
Well,
Alright, then I'm gonna throw an egg in there too. Because when you're making waffles, you're supposed to add oil.
yeah.
But
Eggs are healthier. Mine.
no problem. Okay. Alright, secret ingredient time. I'm gonna throw in a ton of cinnamon because I love cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon.
That was actually a lot.
A lot of cinnamon. Look at this bowl. Look at that cinnamon.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're gonna throw in a little pure vanilla.
Pure vanilla.
Just a little bit. Get the vanilla in there. And then, what else? We're gonna throw in some Splenda.
Oh, nice.
It has to be sweet. Oh, nice. Okay.
Splenda or stevia?
Splenda. Mix that up. Alright, and that's the batter we're gonna use for Andrew and Mallory. And then when it comes to me, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of, like half a scoop of whey powder, just to add some protein to it. Because I know Andrew doesn't want to be healthy. Shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're
Alright. Alright, cut the track. Gotta cook, see what you're doing. Oh, perfect timing. Don't mess up.
I never mess up.
Oh, confident. Are you going 2?
Yeah, always.
For that extra protein?
I messed that up.
I thought you don't mess up.
Oops. Yeah, try not to, but.
Ooh.
Oh wait, no, it's still good. It's still good.
I saw a little shell in there.
I got it.
You told me to get a little close-up shot of the eggs cooking, so let's see what's happening.
Woo!
Oh, they look good.
Delicious. Almost done. They need some salt and pepper though.
True. Alright, let's show us how to do it.
You want to pour it in your hand first, so you don't get too much on there.
Oh wow. Well, Chef Andrew over here. That one broke. What happened there? Did you mess up?
No, I mean it can break sometimes. It's not really about what
You messed up?
No, it's not whether it breaks. It's about how good it cooks. So it's still gonna cook fine with that.
Gonna cook fine and broken.
All right, so now it's been seasoned. All right, hey guys. So here's the eggs that we've been cooking. I put a lid on it. The reason we put a lid on it is because then all the heat from the pan, it rises up. But with the lid, it bounces back down onto the eggs. So it helps.
Whoa.
It helps the eggs cook faster.
That's educational.
And it's just easy. So
Easy.
there you
Waffles
guys have
ready.
it.
Your waffles ready.
Thanks.
Alright, before I make mine, like I said, I'm gonna throw in half a scoop of whey. So in mine, all I have is the 190 calories from the waffle mix. Then we have water, so nothing. And then we have about 1/3 of an egg, because we split this into three different people. And then half a scoop of this. So it's all gonna come out to around, this is like about 60 calories. Plus 190, it's about 250. Oh, Andrew's saying you gotta get that egg going. Alright, get the egg. So yeah, the thing's only about 250 to 300 calories so far. Alright, this is my waffle right here. We got some reduced sugar syrup on there, some strawberries, some sugar-free syrup, then some Reese's whipped cream. All those toppings combined come out to like under 50 calories, so not too bad. Then we got Andrew over here.
Mine with
keeping it simple.
good cinnamon waffle with
Too bad you messed up that egg.
It's not messed up. It just got cooked differently. Oh, that yolk.
Oh,
So good.
Man.
I'm savory all the way.
All right, let us know in the comments if you're a sweet or savory fan. Can't wait to dive into mine. Waffles with the Mellas.
Part 1.
Part 1.
Is it filming? So good.
How good? Like
1 to 10, 100.
whoa.
Woo. Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious. So what's new with you?
What's new?
Yeah. Any girls?
No.
No?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. Just not now.
You gotta work on that. You gotta show them how you cook up your eggs. They love that.
I'm sure they do. How's your waffle?